let's use complementary colors to make this a little bit brighter. Okay, so we've got this, this apple here, and I'm gonna use orange, which is the complementary color of blue, to just make this is gonna help this sort of like lift up a little bit more away from the background. So with the gray background, it's like okay, but it just kind of sits, you know, kind of sits there. When we add in this, you'll notice that this starts to kind of like move forward a little bit. And that's because complementary colors, what they do is they basically brighten each other up. So they make each other, when they're next to each other, they make each other brighter. Now, when they're like mixed together, they tone the colors down. So it's kind of like an opposite effect. So for example, if I was to take the orange and add it in the drawing to the blue, like right here, you can kind of see this, it sort of starts to make it tone down. And if I keep going a lot, it'll make it more and more almost like brownish. Sometimes it can make it grayish. So a lot of times what people do with complementary colors is they'll use them to like make it more unified or integrated into the drawing. So like you could start with a blue color, but then you add and you warm this whole area up, and now you just have like, it's much more integrated into this whole scene than if you didn't include any orange in the drawing. So you have two things happening. You've got the orange making the apple stand out a little bit more against this background. And then by adding in some orange into the, you know, into the apple, you make it look a little bit more integrated into the scene.